Kalakas yung cardio mo dyan?
I can do this like 30 minutes and I feel like gaganahan ako.
How long is too long?
Bro, like 5 hours here? I'm gonna get like hemorrhoids.
What's this? You could put it up?
First time yung pumasok to stair.
Ano pag may host na dumaan?
Ay, di ko alam. Ganun no? Ito yung famous place where to break up. If you look over here, this is where date spots, breakup spot, momol spot is right here underneath. I don't know this, but I've been told. Right here. See that spot? Right there? Or maybe right here.
Long time, boss,
You guys remember, bitch?
This is my first time seeing this guy in campus. What happened, dog?
Ateneo, take me back, please. Follow nyo na. See you, bro. Miss you. Ano ba? Mag-barn ba tayo? Ay, wala na. Wala na palang barn. Sabi nila sa Ateneo, more. Bang. Po.
Sa school, ah.
Dito pa rin ako, boss. Di na. Ano class mo today? Ito, class ko. Yan. Wow. I would not be able to do that.
Order now.
Ganyan ba sa Ateneo? DJ sa cafe? Walang ganyan, boss. The French flick. You don't know that? That's a dance move, bro. Ano meron dito, boss? Bird watching kami. Ano yun?
Wala.
Ano yun, boss? Madami bang birds, Alf?
Madami eh. Wala naman.
Ikaw, ano ginagawa mo?
Nagkain ng pagkain.
I just swallowed my gum, mother. Oh my god. So, ano tong homework mo?
Thank you for the props po.